So this is my first official test with my new audio equipment I've gotten over the summer, and I'm going to be using it in my future videos when I start college in a couple days. I got the Zoom H4n audio recorder with 2 XLR cables and built-in microphones that do 360 sound capture, and it records in mono if you're using the 1 and 2 jacks. If you have 2 microphones, it will do a right and left, so that's cool. And if you only have 1, it will be in mono, but you can change it to stereo in the editing process. And it's connected through an XLR jack to a Rode NTG-2 shotgun mic, and it sounds amazing and professional and just all good compared to the Canon T2i camera I have, shooting in 1080p, 24 frames I think I'm doing right now, might be 29. But compared to the built-in mic on the Canon camera, it's much better. I will be comparing, this will be the audio for the Canon T2i that you're listening to right now, and you can see the huge difference. And I hope to be making a lot more professional videos here coming soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.